Welcome to AppJunkie. AppJunkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be Best 3 Investing Apps for Beginners. Investing is a great way to grow your money, but it can be daunting to get started. Fortunately, there are a number of investing apps that can make the process easier and even fun for beginners. In this video, we'll go over the top 3 investing apps for beginners. Webull. Webull is a great investment platform for all types of investors. Beginners will find it user-friendly, and experienced traders will appreciate the advanced technical analysis tools. With Webull, you can invest in a wide variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies. Here are some answers to some frequently asked questions about Webull. Does trading stocks on Webull cost money? No, because there are no commission fees on your investment. You make $100, you keep the entire $100. Can you invest in crypto? Webull allows you to invest in cryptocurrency and offers 44 different cryptocurrencies to choose from. If you intend to invest more than $10,000, you should get a crypto wallet. This is because when you invest in cryptocurrency through Webull, Webull technically owns the cryptocurrency rather than you. Can you buy fractional shares? You can buy fractional shares on Webull. Fractional shares are when you invest in a stock without buying a complete share. For example, if you wanted to invest in Apple, which costs $140 per share, but you only have $70, you could still invest and you would own half a share. Can you trade options? Yes, you can trade options using Webull, which is my favorite app for this purpose. It has great technical analysis tools and extended trading hours, and it's amazing how options work on the app. It's easy to use and perfect for options trading. Moomoo. The second investing app we'll be talking about today is Moomoo. It's a great platform for anyone looking to get started in investing. Here are a few questions. Does it cost you money to trade stocks on Moomoo? No. When you invest, they do not take a percentage of your money. However, unlike other apps in this video, Moomoo does not allow you to trade cryptocurrency or buy fractional shares. Can you trade options? Yes. In fact, this is where Moomoo shines the brightest. They have almost every technical analysis tool imaginable, which, in my opinion, compensates for the lack of fractional shares. Do you receive a sign-up bonus? Yes. Moomoo currently offers 15 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each as a sign-up bonus. Moomoo is one of the best investing apps overall, thanks to its technical analysis features and ease of use. Robinhood. Robinhood is the third investing app we'll be discussing today. Robinhood is among the most user-friendly investing apps, with an interface that was designed for beginner investors. Does it cost money to trade stocks on Robinhood? No, they charge 0% commissions on all trades, just like the other apps. Can you invest in crypto? Yes, you can trade 7 cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, and unlike other apps, you will have your own crypto address, allowing you to send and receive cryptocurrency through your Robinhood account. It's an important feature, but if you want to trade cryptocurrency, use a real crypto wallet. Can you buy fractional shares? Yes, Robinhood allows you to buy fractional shares of any stock you own. Can you trade options? Yes, trading options on Robinhood is extremely simple, but they lack good charting tools. So if you wanted to trade options, you'd have to chart using a website like TradingView. These apps are easy to use and provide a variety of features to help beginners get started with investing. For more videos on trending apps, be sure to like and subscribe.